Hey, I'm James Spann. This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Monday, the 16th of August. Again, today, some big tropical downpours out there in scattered pockets. Temperatures over 90. What is this? 43rd consecutive day for Birmingham. Long, hot summer. Let's look at some of the Skycam shots. First off, from Tuscaloosa. Hey, they've only got 80 degrees at 2 o'clock. That's thanks to a cluster of storms that's nearby. Some locations in Tuscaloosa County getting heavy amounts of rain. Some of the heavier rain as I do this update falling over in Pickens County, just west of town. There's the Gadsden Skycam, pretty much the same deal. Some pretty hefty storms around the city. I know that Glencoe got a big downpour about 1:30 or 2. And down in Gulf Shores, by golly, old TD5 is trying to get its act together again. That thing looks like a tropical depression again. Just south of Gulf Shores, and you can see some pretty ominous clouds there off in the distance with heavy rain falling offshore. Let's look at the water vapor satellite imagery this afternoon. That's what you see there. The contours on top of that map are at 500 millibars, the height lines, and the high pressure aloft is across the deep south. Hey, what's new? It's been like that for a couple of months. You can see our developing tropical system south of Mobile Bay. Temperatures, hey, look at Tuscaloosa. Now, the airport's down to 77. I said earlier they were at 80. That was the Skycam location in downtown Tuscaloosa. Looks like the airport's sitting at 77 at 2 o'clock. Yeah, buddy. 91 for Birmingham and the Shelby County Airport. Low 90s over in Anniston and Gadsden. That radar capture is at 212, and you can see some of the heavier storms over West Alabama, Tuscaloosa, and Pickens counties. But they're scattered in all pockets of the state, and they'll be around through the evening hours, and like recent days, they're tropical, so some spots could see heavy amounts of rain. Check the convective outlook. This is for the rest of today and tonight, a slight risk from near Richmond on up to the Canadian border, across much of New England, and also a slight risk on the western high plains. And tomorrow, low-end 5% possibilities in scattered pockets, including southeast Louisiana and coastal Mississippi, thanks to our tropical system down there. And that's where the heaviest rain will be. This is rain for the next 5 days, suggesting about 8 inches off the Louisiana coast. And again, that's with our tropical system. Amounts in Alabama, 1 to 2 inches on this map, but easily some folks could see more than that. This is valid through Saturday morning at 7 o'clock. And let's peek at the tropics. You can see the guys at NHC have our TD is pegged at a 60% chance of becoming a tropical depression again. One way or the other, doesn't matter. The effect is going to be about the same, whether it becomes a depression or not. There's the visible satellite shot. Pretty nice convection, mainly south of that surface low center. And again, you can see the moisture wrapping up into Alabama coming in from the east. There's the surface chart, and you can see that broad 1,012 millibar low shows up just south of Pensacola Beach. And that'll be kind of drifting over toward New Orleans way, with potential for some pretty good rains in through there. The modeling, pretty consistent. Most models bring it up into southeast Louisiana with a gradual recurve back into the westerlies. They bring the center of that thing up through Louisiana and Arkansas, but no point in focusing on the center. Again, it's a broad circulation. Some of the better rains could be in our state later this week. So we'll watch that, but that's going to keep us on the old moist side. So each day this week we'll have a chance of showers and storms. Most of the models keep this under tropical storm strength, and I think that's right because the thing is so close to land. You got one outlier that runs wild, but more than likely this will just do the same as it's been doing for the last 5 days, producing a lot of rain. We'll check the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid at 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Westerlies a little farther to the south. And down below that, you can see the broad surface low is centered over South Mississippi and Southeast Louisiana. Don't think tomorrow will be a lot different from today here. Hot, muggy, low 90s, scattered showers and storms, maybe numerous at times. Same thing on Wednesday. You can see that Vortmax showing up there. That's what's left of TD5 around Meridian. And again, that'll keep us pretty soupy and moist and wet. Mix of sun and clouds with scattered to numerous showers and storms. Same thing on Thursday. Again, low 90s, where the rain forms early enough in the day. Some folks will stay in the 80s. Friday, moisture goes nowhere, even though the tropical system dissipates. And Saturday, starting off the weekend, same deal. So every day this week, in fact, let's look at Sunday. Again, it's the same. So really all the way through the weekend, we'll have the chance of showers and storms each day. The best chance during the afternoon and evening hours, but with the tropical system coming into play, there could be some late night or morning rain, especially the middle part of this week. Monday of next week, nice trough over the East Coast. GFS keeps trying to bring a surface boundary down this way, as far south as central Alabama on Monday. I don't know if that can happen. It can, but I'd say it's not likely. And for now, I think a persistence forecast is the best idea. 5 days later, August 28th, 588 ridge over us. And what's that thing off in the Atlantic? Hey, a little tropical action well to the east of the middle Atlantic coast of the United States. And a few days later, September 1, again, ridging here across the deep south. And look at that, little tropical storm coming up on the Bahamas. So the GFS is hinting that the tropics indeed might be heating up here in the next few weeks, which is to be expected. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.